Despite a complete overhaul for 2023, Lexus's RX SUV retains its soft riding road manners that seem tailor-made for its faithful buyers. A quartet of powertrains is on the menu, including a new plug-in hybrid version. The RX's new styling looks much sharper than the outgoing models, and up front, there's a new version of the brand's wide-mouthed grille and Lexus's recognizable L-shaped running lights. Interior accommodations are more deluxe this time around, and the cabin features a large infotainment touchscreen and the latest tech features. The outgoing model was offered in either 2- or 3-row configurations, but the 2023 RX is strictly a 2-row affair. A 3-row variant may join the lineup later, or Lexus may choose to launch a new, larger SUV above the RX with a standard 7-seat layout. What's new for 2023? The RX rolls into its 5th generation with an all-new design, and it's on track to hit US showrooms by the end of 2022. Pricing and which one to buy. While it's hardly as sporty as it looks, the RX 500h F Sport Performance is at least the most exciting variant of the RX SUV. Too bad it's so expensive. While driving enthusiasts like us would find nothing but that range-topping model suitable, we think more casual drivers will be happy with the less powerful and even more relaxed RX 350 Premium Plus. That mid-range model comes with added luxuries such as the larger 14.0-inch infotainment screen, genuine leather upholstery, an ambient interior lighting system, and more. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2023 RX is offered with no less than 4 different powertrains, starting with the base RX 350 model, which is powered by a 275 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. That model comes with an 8-speed automatic and front-wheel drive as standard, but all-wheel drive is an option. The hybrid RX 350h pairs electric motors with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine to make 246 horsepower and comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Stepping up to the RX 500h F Sport Performance unlocks a punchier powertrain. It combines the turbocharged 2.4-liter and electric power to make 367 horsepower and utilizes Lexus's direct force system to route that power to all 4 wheels. Lexus had an opportunity to recast the new RX as a performer with the RX 500h model, but its chassis engineers regrettably chose not to dial in any additional cornering confidence. All models we've driven so far are just as softly sprung and luxury-focused as the outgoing Generation RX, which will please faithful buyers but won't attract any driving enthusiasts. A plug-in hybrid model, dubbed RX 450h Plus, will join the lineup later, and although Lexus hasn't released specs on that yet, we expect to see the same 302 horsepower powertrain that's offered in the Toyota RAV4 Prime and Lexus NX 450h Plus SUVs. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA hasn't weighed in on all of the RX trims yet, but according to Lexus, the most efficient RX model will be the RX 350h, which carries claimed ratings of 37 miles per gallon city and 34 mpg highway. The RX 500h is said to be good for 28 miles per gallon city and 27 mpg highway, while the non-hybrid RX 350 earned ratings from the EPA of 22 miles per gallon city and 29 mpg highway for front-wheel drive models. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Although the outgoing model was offered in both 2- and 3-row configurations, the 2023 RX is offered exclusively as a 2-row, 5-seat SUV. A 3-row model may debut later, or the RXL could be replaced by an entirely different and larger SUV with a standard 3rd row of seats. The 2023 RX interior design is more modern than the 2022 model, with textured fabric sections on the upper door panels, rich-looking ambient lighting, and open-pour wood trim on RX 350 models. The RX 500h F Sport Performance features more heavily bolstered front seats, black interior trim, steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters, and aluminum pedals. Infotainment and connectivity. A 9.8-inch infotainment touchscreen is parked smack in the middle of the RX redesigned dashboard. A larger 14.0-inch screen is optional. Like the smaller NX SUV, the RX infotainment display is angled slightly toward the driver and uses Lexus's latest software interface. CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but features such as navigation, a head-up display, and a Mark Levinson stereo system are optional. Safety and driver assistance features. Lexus offers many standard driver assistance features on its new cars and SUVs, and the 2023 RX is no different. The RX automated emergency braking system can detect pedestrians as well as motorcyclists, and all models also come with adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Key safety features include standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. Lexus's limited warranty matches most of its rivals in this segment, and its powertrain warranty surpasses many. Hybrid components get longer coverage, however, complimentary scheduled maintenance lasts only 1 year, whereas the BMW X3 and the Volvo XC60 both offer lengthier terms. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles, hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. And complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching and subscribe if you enjoyed. Enjoy the rest of the video.